It is 4:30 in the morning, way too early, but it's spring break time. We are going back across the pond, but this time to Rome. So let's go. You ready? You ready, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jex is ready. Jex is ready.
It's so early.
Done with the first leg. We are in New York, and now we've got a pretty long layover. We got access to the lounge as part of our ticket to Italy, and this place was pretty spectacular. We got here right around lunchtime, so we went straight to the restaurant, and all the food, all the drinks, it is all included. You don't pay for anything extra. We got some champagne, mimosas, and check out this food: calamari, scallops, this beautiful medium rare steak. My daughter is all about the mac and cheese, so of course she had to get that, and everything was absolutely delicious. We also get this awesome dessert. My son got the strawberry cheesecake. We also got a couple of these chocolate souffles, which were out of this world. I ate it on its own, which was really good, but then also came with this coconut vanilla type cream, which just really took it over the top. After lunch, we walked around. The lounge itself is super big, very spacious. Besides the restaurant, there is also a ton of other food options, these little sandwiches, tons of different desserts. There is also a full-on wellness center where you can get hand massages, facials, recovery therapy. My kids weren't gonna let this opportunity pass them by, so they drank an ungodly amount of Shirley Temples. We did get a little bit of work done, then switched to cocktails, wine for my wife, and they had these amazing old fashions with fresh sage, which was out of this world. We never really do airport lounges, but this one was really awesome. It smells so nice here. I don't know what they're putting in the air. What, like, right? You're liking it too?
It smells like lavender rose.
Lavender rose. Oh, it smells so nice. Just very relaxing, and wow. Check this out. We are ready to go. So much space here. Look at that. This is pretty awesome. I mean, no big deal. And for dinner, we've got grilled short rib, a corn soup, smoked salmon, little salad, and a dinner roll. Guys, go, come on. How's the ice cream? Go ahead, make a wish. Found the Spanish steps.
I don't think I can make it up.
You were gonna have to make it.
I'm already so tired. I don't think
You can do it.
Let's see.
You can do it. Mama. All right, winding down day number one. It is really awesome out here. So many people, so much to do. So many vendors, cafes. It's really fun just kind of walking around on the streets. But we are ready for a good night's sleep. We got some sleep on the plane, but just need a good kind of long rest. So back at it tomorrow. All right, day number 2 starts now. We are headed to the Colosseum, do a little more sightseeing, and we'll be sure to hit up a lot more food spots today. So let's go. So cool. Check this out. It's the inside of the Colosseum. This is the arena where all the games took place. Over 2,000 years old. Ready for our pasta experience. Check this out. Got a nice little variety of everything. Oh, let's go. This right here is the perfect bite. You get this crispy pork cheek and this super soft gnocchi. So good. That was a delicious place. My plan was to get a lot more food today, but honestly, after that plate of pasta, I don't know how much more we can eat. Like, it didn't seem like it was a lot, but it's just so filling. And then you get the bread, got a couple beers. It's just, it's a lot, but it's so good. Easy on those cobblestones. It looks even cooler at night. Everything's lit up. Still got a bunch of people out. Oh yeah. Next up, we've got a tour of Vatican City. It's a little rainy day today, but should still be a good time. The Vatican was pretty unbelievable. The size of it, of the chapel, St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel. I couldn't film inside, so couldn't get any video pictures, but it is just like stunning. Seeing it in person is really something else. Tons of people, but the tour was pretty well organized, so I got to see everything. Got through it all pretty quickly, so yeah, this was pretty amazing. One of the coolest and most unique parts about Rome are these natural flowing water fountains. This is natural, clean flowing water from northern Italy. You can fill up your water bottle, drink it, so there's never a need to purchase bottled water. How cool is that? And if you don't have a water bottle, you can drink straight from the fountain. Check this out. We are doing a whole lot of walking today. We are going to the castle, which she's super excited about. How excited are you about the castle?
Not excited.
She's not excited at all. You ready for the mini break, right?
Oh yeah, I'm ready for the daily break.
Or the daily break, not the mini break. Castle's looking pretty cool, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Nothing. This is the hole.
This is easily one of the best sandwiches I've had here so far. This is the porchetta, cheese and pesto on this focaccia bread. Wow. These are our evening snacks. A nice platter of cold cuts, some fresh focaccia, Aperol spritz, and an awesome view right there. Oh yeah. All right, got a pretty fun day planned for today. We are starting off early. It's a little bit after 6 o'clock, and we are doing a tour headed first to Pompeii and then to Naples. So it's gonna take all day. We got this bus we're gonna go there on and just kind of explore the two places. So pretty excited to see both of them. Try some pizza in Naples and see what else is there. So let's go. Pompeii, it's pretty insane. Thinking that this place is over 2,000 years old and it was covered under 30 feet of ash and volcanic rock after Mount Vesuvius blew up. It's insanity. Now they're kind of excavating it. You can see it, walk and see the buildings, the shops, and how well it all preserves is so cool to see. So this whole area is the Jewish quarter, and it's kind of cool because the left side of the street, all the restaurants, cafes, bars, or I guess no bars, everything is 100% kosher, and the right side of the street, they're about 70-75% kosher, so you kind of get to see both sides and see the difference in the menus. We had the traditional fried artichokes, which were amazing. We had the veal, the ossobuco, really tasty food here. This is so cool. All right, got another viral food here, the trapezzino. It's a meatball, tomato sauce, and this kind of fried dough, almost like this pizza pocket thing from that place right there. What do you think?
It's amazing.
Yeah, heard it here. This one is definitely worth the hype. And today we will be visiting this building, which is absolutely massive but looks so cool. Let's go. And the most impressive thing about this place is just the size and the scale of it. Like the building, all these decorations, it's all made in marble and it is just huge. It is absolutely huge. All right, so our trip is coming to an end. We're at the airport waiting for our flight back, and this was awesome. Fun little trip. So cool seeing all the ancient ruins, the Colosseum, the old buildings. Food was great. Tons of people, but it was just fun. Fun walking around. Yeah, this was a good spring break trip, I think. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you like about the trip the most?
The daily breaks.
The daily breaks in the Airbnb?
Yep.
That was pretty fun. What about this guy? What'd you like the most?
Maybe like the Formula One racing simulator.
That was pretty fun.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Captain speaking. Like,